up guys, and welcome back to this new video of me trying to get my first funded payout. And today is Monday, new start of the week, day 21 of this journey. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the charts. Today there isn't any news, like not any important news except some FOMC talks and speeches. And on the markets we can see that during the Sydney session and Asia session there was a new all-time high that was made, and we had our sell-side liquidity resting right here on the downside of this 50-minute fair value gap, and we have our buy-side liquidity resting on the all-time high. The markets right now are moving towards the buy-side liquidity and all-time high, but if we look at the bigger picture, at the macro charts, we can see that this last 4-hour candle actually wicked very much, which is an indication for maybe bearish movement which is on the way, but we do not know that because as of right now the gold market just seems like it seeks all-time highs or after all-time high, but we'll just see how it goes, how the day will go on. And right now it pretty much seems like it's very bullish movement, but it's very early in the morning and I'm just waiting. And when I will do an entry, my entry will be during London or during New York session and during the correlation of both of them, because there's the most volatility in the markets, as y'all know. So yeah, I don't think there's much to say. I'm gonna do my pre-session, do my journaling, do the stuff that I need to do to go in the markets with a good feeling, with a comfortable feeling, and with a good feeling. So now I have taken my entry. I know that this isn't at an equilibrium of a fair value gap, but I just don't know and don't expect it to come up here again, because if we look at the DXY, because the DXY, as y'all know, is in correlation with gold, we can see that there was a bearish SMT that was made right here, which then got broken, and here was a new SMT, and I expect DXY to come down to the equilibrium of this fair value gap and then just bounce straight back up, just like this right here. And when this move happens, the gold then will probably fall down and go hunt sell side liquidity, because also if you look at this setup right here, it looks like a soup. It looks like a turtle soup. Like here was the buy side liquidity, this was the manipulation leg, and now it's looking like a distribution is on its way. And yeah, this is why I've taken the trade. Now I'm going to go play some football, man, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Like, I have everything in the background, as y'all know. And yeah, we just gonna, I think we will wait until, okay, this 1 hour candle is about to close. I think we'll wait until this will close, then I will come back to you, and then we will go to playing football. Now that 1 hour candle is about to close and we have a new 1 hour candle. Let's see. It's moving towards my stop right now, but it's not that bad because the analysis were pretty good pretty well, and I still expect it to come down much more, but DXY is kinda fucking me off right now, if I can say it like that. It's still going a bit downwards, which leads to gold going upwards, but I still expect gold to go down and DXY to go up, but we'll just see what happens. Okay, it seems like my stop is about to get hit. Yes, okay, my stop was hit, but I think okay, should I go in at this or at this 5 minute to be honest, let's go in at this 5 minute fair value gap. Let's go in with 0.12 pips. Let's put a new order. The stop is going to be at this high. The stop is going to be at 2736.5, and the TP is still going to be the sell side liquidity. And yeah, I will go in now with, yeah, that's enough, 1.08 lots, and let's go. And yeah, now I went in at 2734.3. I have my stop at 236.5 and my TP at this right here, this sell side liquidity. And yeah, now we'll see what's going to happen. I could make the stop loss a bit higher above the all-time high, but I don't think that will be necessary, but we will see what happens. So now that I've taken the second trade of the day, which is going to be the last one, yeah, we'll just go to playing football and we'll let this trade run out. I am going to show it to y'all on my phone in the background a couple of times. And yeah, unfortunately both of my trades hit stop loss. I kinda have an idea why, but still gonna let the day go, and at the end when I come back from football and everything, I'm just gonna do a recap of what I did wrong and what I could do better. And I hope you enjoyed this. I'm now I'm questioning if I should put in some clips of me playing football, because I cannot show y'all anything in the background of like if I did a trade, or like if I like that I'm in a trade and how it's going and stuff like that. But I can write down in the comments if y'all would like to see some football content in some of the videos sometimes, and I don't know, I will think of it. It's either now you will see some football clips after this one, or you'll just see me making the outro for y'all. And with that being said, today we made a loss of $110, and yeah, we'll just see what happens through the rest of the day, and then I will just come back to you, or you might even see some football clips of me. What's up guys, I'm back from the football session, and I won't be putting in any clips, but if I want to have some in the next videos, comment down below and I'll make that wish come true. So as expected, the markets did the move, but without me because I wasn't patient enough to wait for my trading session, which normally is here during New York Open and goes to about, let's say, 2:30, 3 p.m., which is about 3 hours. This would be my whole trading session, and I just didn't trade because I was at football and because I traded earlier. And the analysis and also my research were very right, but the topics that I'm searching on are mostly based on US, so I really have to stay on New York session and keep executing my trades on New York session. And also the next day, or like tomorrow, I will have to wait until the market gives me complete structure that they want to shift the momentum to bearish now or to bullish. Like right here, he was a little bit bearish movement, but that was just a lower low, a higher low, and then it went up, and then we had this sell side liquidity right here, which then eventually got swept right here during New York session, and I have to just be more careful about situations like this and when I go into trades, because I just went in when then also a new all-time high got made and a new higher high. And if I would have waited and if I would have been patient, then I could have just gotten in right here doing that move and catch the whole thing. I had that 1-to-6 ratio, but I was too impatient, which then ended up for me to lose. And yeah, that being said, I also have to wait for DXY, for the S&T to either hold or to get swept, because as I can see right here, when this S&T got made, we had very much bearish momentum, and then once New York session started, the bullish momentum started to take off, and once that started to take off, here it started to fall off. With that being said, I appreciate you if you've made it this far. Leave a like, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, come back tomorrow on the next video of this journey of getting my first funded payout. I love you. Chase your dream. As long as you know it's possible, it is possible.